Rewarding's what it is. Pull up to a job site like this, you see experts out here getting the job done, and when you roll up and see what a difference this makes, when you're happy as a business owner, that creates synergy when you talk to your client and they feel it, because you feel good about it, they feel good about it, and it's a win for everybody. So it's exciting. So here we are, we're back on the job site, putting this beautiful designer shingle on this property. We told you guys this morning, we got here early. The whole roofing system was torn off by 8:30. We made necessary repairs to the roof decking, and as you can see, this entire roof system is almost put on, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. So that tells you how efficient in our performance level with our team and exactly what we do. But everybody here knows what their job is and how to handle business, and that's what we do. So at the end of the day, you will see the efficiency and how everything's cleaned up and we're out of here. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. So we started this morning, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Now we're almost done with the project, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. So by the time you go to work and get home, we've taken your whole roof system off and put a new one on. You don't even know we were here, other than the curb appeal and how pretty this thing is. Let's go check it out. This new designer roof. It's so thick. This is such a beautiful roof. The best of the best. Absolutely amazing. This is beautiful. What a great choice. This black roof with this brick in this neighborhood. This is just going to be so stunning in comparison to what they had before. It's absolutely beautiful. With this black chimney cap we put up here, show attention to detail. It's going to make all the difference in the world. You know, when I see my experts at work, it just makes me smile and it makes me understand why we got another 5-star review today from one of our clients. He's so happy with the work that we did. I think that puts us over 400 reviews, 400 5-star reviews. Who can say that in the home services business? That's such a rare feat, something we're really proud of. Like I tell people, we can tell you we're great, but what's really great is when your clients tell you how great you are. And that's what's so rewarding about what we do. And you see a project like this that started out, I remember a long time ago when we first looked at this project, and he had that metal roof up here. He was so tired of it. It's been leaking for years. He had people come out and fix it. We come out and finally started sealing it up and told him, look, man, you got to do something with this thing. It's in too bad a shape. And we come out here, patched him up a little bit, and then now we were able to get the insurance company to take care of this thing. We finally get to install this new beautiful Class 4 impact resistant roof up here. And he's so excited about saving money on his insurance payments. We're excited for him. And then to see the workmanship that goes into this and how talented our crews are out here, it's next level stuff. And as a business owner, it makes you so proud of your team when they do such great work. And you know, I pull up to our job sites versus what other people are doing out there, and there's no comparison. And you know, just not a lot of words to describe it. It's just so rewarding as a business owner, knowing how good your team is. And what an awesome site. Love it. It's beautiful. What an awesome site up there. Absolutely amazing. That shingle is beautiful on this home. You're going to be able to see the roof. The curb appeal is going to totally change on this home. And it's rewarding. You know, the expert crews that we have, just their workmanship is, you know, not comparable to anything in the business. So as a business owner, when I show up and see that it's an entire team effort that was put into this, it's so rewarding to see everybody work together as a team, taking a tactical approach to making our clients happy. And I just sent them a picture and they are absolutely ecstatic. They're like, we are blown away by how quick and efficient you guys are, how the job site stayed clean, everything's being taken care of. And they're like, you know, it's creating a little bit of noise, but the way you guys let the neighbors know that we were going to have major construction going on, and the way we put out the caution tape, the attention to detail, bringing safety first, You know, all these things are a culmination of what success means. And that makes our client happy, and it gives them that comfort knowing that, hey, our most prized investment is in your hands for the day. And at the end of the day, we get to hand it back to them newer and better than it's ever been. It's rewarding not only for them, it's super rewarding for us. So I don't know, it's amazing. When I come out to the job sites like this and I see it happening daily, over and over, but it never gets old, never gets old. And it's the attention to detail. So notice we have the high performance belt up there, and then look at the metal edging. We put metal edging that is black to match their accent paint color. So it's attention to the small details that people don't notice. When they walk up, they're like, wow, this is incredible, this looks amazing. Well, there's all kinds of different colors, and you can buy galvanized, shiny stuff. We actually use powder coated baked on to match the trim color and to match the roof system. So it ties the entire project together. So we're not out here just throwing up some shingles or a roofing system that we're like, okay, we're done. We want to make sure aesthetically everything looks good and matches. So when you drive by or you see it from the curb, it's absolutely stunning. So that's what we're doing here. What's up, Mr. Rusty?
Fuck, man, they're kicking ass, dude. It looks good.
Yeah. Hey.
I love those shingles.
Beautiful, aren't they? It's
That's
breathtaking.
awesome.
Talk about curb appeal.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Class 4 impact resistant. This is the granddaddy of them all. That's what they call it. The granddaddy of them all. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Beautiful.
They may finish today, huh?
Oh, they're going to finish today. Yeah, without question.
The other side already pretty much done?
Yeah, they have the valleys laid out. They're just laying tiles now. It's easy. So, but it's beautiful. Looks good, don't it? Each one looks like a separate tile. How's this trailer look?
Looks good.
Let's take a peek, man.
It's about 5th gear, 6th gear, and then it would just wind up to like 2,000 RPMs and stay there.
Wow. All right, guys, check this out. We got a new trailer, new addition to the SWAT team. All right. Just got it cleaned up. We got this magical wrap on here, super cool. It's highly reflective. So when you pull up at night, any kind of light is shining on it, you can see it from a mile away, which is what we want. So this is gonna be our 24-hour catastrophe response trailer. So we went and put our logo on it so everybody knew we were here, we were doing some business, because everybody loves us. They want to do business with us too. So we want to let them know, hey, we're in the neighborhood doing some business, give us a holler. So we're excited to see this. There we go, 24-hour disaster response team. Got a QR code here. And you can always just call the office. I've roofed his office about 1.5 years ago, probably, and this is his personal home. So his office is 5 minutes away, and this is what they call the granddaddy of all the regular shingles. So this is a designer shingle called a Grand Manor. It's a class 4 impact resistant. He'll save a lot of money.
Like this.
Yep.
And so that's what it's called, Grand Manor.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the one where they walked on.
Yeah.
You remember?
They covered all of it.
Yeah.
God, yeah, because it was a metal roof, wasn't
Metal roof, yeah.
Metal shingles.
Insurance walked on it and did damage to the roof. They vandalized the roof, so.
So these shingles are a big upgrade from the standard shingles we use?
Not even close. This is the best roofing system to have, period. It's called the granddaddy of all.
Like, I know that you had metal before.
Well, here's the thing with metal. One, you have to have a cosmetic damage waiver or the marring clause, right? So they had baseball-sized hail, so he was stuck looking at this ugly roof.
All the dings.
All the dings in it, right? So that was one problem. The other problem is it had leaked for years. So metal is great, but it'll leak very easily, and once it starts leaking, it runs down those channels, and trying to chase those leaks down can be very challenging. So he had called us out here after he filed his insurance claim 2 or 3 times, said, hey, it's leaking in my kitchen, it's leaking in my living room. And we'd stopped the leak, but it just kept moving around because it ran through all the channels, right? This is it. Like a Coke can, be careful, but you can see.
So it runs down to here and it's gonna come out here.
Oh,
yeah. So it just ran all over the place, right? It's like a Coke can.
You should see the drone from this morning.
Really?
You could see where everything was wet, where it's been leaking, and you couldn't even tell.
Oh, because it was puddling up.
Yeah, and we had to replace decking and stuff to make sure the substrate was in good shape. So Now we've tore that down, and now we're putting this up there. So with the metal roof, they look pretty, they sound good in the rain, but marring clause, cosmetic damage waiver, you're going to be stuck with it.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it, right? There's not the value there. The insurance company's going to give you a little discount, but when you have baseball size hail like he did,
And they won't cover it?
No.
They'll try not to cover
right,
it?
you're going to be stuck looking at that for years. So you're going to pull up to your home, it's going to look like a beat up car from hail damage, right? So now we put this up there, you can get the same discount because this is a class 4 impact resistant shingle. It went through the DT 2218 test, so it's a class 4 shingle. So he's going to get his insurance discount, but look at how much prettier it is, one, and then two, if he has a problem, he's not going to be stuck with all the other issues that he did with metal.
There's a lot less likelihood
Yeah.
of him having a leak too.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's a different,
And if you get hail on it and it's not significant damaging hail where it wants replacement,
it's not as hard to see.
yeah, you're not going to pull up to it and see it everywhere, right? It's not going to look like an old beat up car. So that's the difference. So
Very, very good point, man. Very
Yeah.
good point. So I've always wondered, because I've had people, say, hey, are the metal shingles good? And I'm like, yeah, I mean, they're considered a lifetime roof, right? But
Yep.
now I can kind of give an insight on the cons to it.
yeah, there's definitely cons, and most people don't preach the cons because there's a lot of money in metal. So people are like, oh yeah, I want the metal roof, and they sound good in the rain, and they think, oh, metal, like these roofs will wear and tear over time, is what people think. So what do they want to do? Go with metal. They think, I'm gonna put a metal roof on there and never have to mess with it. Well, that's like having a car that has a lifetime warranty and you never have to worry about it. Well, if it goes through 3 or 4 hailstorms, what's it gonna look like?
Looks like crap.
It's gonna look like crap. It's gonna look horrible. And then you're stuck looking at it. And this is your most prized investment. You're sitting on $1 million home. You want to pull up to it and it look like crap every day. It's like buying a Rolls Royce and it going through 2 hailstorms and being beat with a sledgehammer. The Rolls Royce wears off real quick, right? You're like, man, I'd rather drive just a Camry if I have to. I just don't want to get in that piece of crap every day.
Hell no. Yeah, it looks like a crumpled up beer can.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's literally like 3 layers of shingles.
yeah. That's why they call it the granddaddy of them all.
Get in the